Hello, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to create your comic in easy steps. First we need to open ChatGPT to create the script. So here I create a short story about 5 lines about a child Superman and a child Batman playing in the forest. I get this short script. Now go to the first comment in the video, copy the prompt and paste it in Gemini. Then back to ChatGPT and copy the script that was generated and go to Gemini, open the prompt, remove the cross and paste the script instead. Then generate, wait a few moments, and this is the result. As you can see, you got a full comic page. You can generate also other stories using this magnificent prompt. You can create other characters as you want. Also you can generate a full book and publish it on Amazon KDP so you can earn money from it. I hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss the next videos. See you soon.